It's a makeup tutorial, a makeup tutorial. Okay, honorable mention, made by Mitchell. I got them. I'm gonna try them, and we're gonna see how they work. So it comes in this cute little box or whatever, and then it comes in this little pouch. And I think it's about 16 brushes. I've already opened it. I'm just gonna be honest. It's not an open the box type of tutorial. It's a I just got a new product and I'm about to try it tutorial. So yeah, I got all these brushes and I'm gonna try it. So stay tuned. Okay, the foundation I'm using is Tier. This foundation for me, this color match is the best. I got 45W Chestnut. And the color match, listen, honey, it's gonna look like skin. It's like a sponge. And I don't need any at all, but I'm gonna put some on. I don't need a lot. Just a little bit. See, honey, it's giving very much skin-like, okay? Okay, so I'm realizing he doesn't have like a angled concealer brush like this. This is Rare Beauty, so I can't show you that. But I'm gonna go ahead and conceal this and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brush and do my contour. It's soft. I like this brush. It's like soft bristles, but at the same time firm, if that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna go in with my blush. First, I'm gonna do the cream. I'm using red. Make sure after you get it on your brush, you pat it on your hand a little bit and then go into your cheeks. Now, I used to shy away from red. When I first started doing makeup, I would do like a burgundy-ish color, right? Because I didn't think that blush looked good on my brown skin. I don't know. It was all in my head. But now I'm into reds, like deep reds and pinks. And so, yeah. Red on brown skin actually looks freaking amazing. I'm going in with my Huda Bake and Cinnamon Bun under my eyes just to set it. And that's everywhere I put the concealer. And we'll blend it out as we go along. Don't worry, I know it looks like a lot, but it will get blended. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Sephora matte bronzer that I got. All right, I'm gonna go in with my lid primer. I'm using Juvia's Place brand, love it. For my lid, I'm gonna use this palette, my Anastasia Soft Glam. First color I'm going in with is Mulberry. I would show it to y'all, but this palette is kind of jacked up. It's this one. Now that I got the outer color done, I'm gonna go in with my lightest concealer and go over the lid. I'll be right back. Okay, after that, I'm gonna go on top of my House of Labs concealer with the color Glistening. Don't judge my palette. These brushes are so soft. I love it. Soft but firm. All right, now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this burnt orange under my brow just to highlight it a little bit. Boom. Now I'm going to put my eyelashes on. Okay, sis, I forgot to mention, before I do my lashes, I do go in with eyeliner. I get that corner above the lid, and then I draw a little wing. I'm not that great at the wings yet, but I do my best. And then my waterline. All right, now I'm just going to go in with my finishing touches. Now, I know I might not do makeup the same way as other content creators on here, other makeup girlies, and that's okay. What I do works for me. Not everyone's going to do makeup the same. But I get the job done. The job gets done, okay? The job gets done. I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Foundation in W45 and just start to tap in a little bit. And I'm just like pressing it in to the skin, and I'll be back. Going in with my late favorite lip combo. Okay, my lovelies, I am done with my makeup, and it wasn't really a makeup tutorial. It was more so I got these brushes and I wanted to try them, so I figured I'd do it on camera. My honest feedback about these brushes is I love them. I like how soft they are. They feel very high quality. They're soft but firm at the same time. I don't know if that really makes sense, but that's how I'm feeling. I love the fun colors. I love that they come in a pouch. I can keep them together in their own pouch. That's cool. I like the box that they came in. I know that doesn't have anything to do with the actual quality of the brushes, but I feel like presentation is everything. And he really set the bar for makeup brushes. I didn't get a chance to use all of them. But 16 come in the case. I believe on TikTok Shop it is cheaper than his website. So click the link below if you're interested. On the website, I think it's about $25. Plus you have to pay for shipping and etc. etc. So I think it's cheaper here. Y'all can check. Do I recommend? Heck yeah, I like these brushes. These are going to be my new staple brushes. Immediately, I know that I need to clean them because obviously you can see that they're dirty now. The only thing that I would say is I wish that he had a bigger, fluffier brush in the case. And I wish that he had some type of angle brush that I could like do my concealer with, right? But other than that, 10 out of 10, I recommend. I got them. You should try them.